Hey everybody, welcome back to Stronger Yoga Academy, and today we're going to help you make a stronger Dandayamana Utthita Padangustasana. That's a hell of a mouthful, isn't it? But what we're going to do is help make your standing balancing poses stronger. I'm here with Ian. We're going to be right back and take a look at this pose. So let's take a look at this pose. Ian is going to be standing on his right leg, and that means he's going to cross ankle to thigh. It almost looks like he's sitting in an invisible chair. Now what I'm going to have him do is use his, we'll call this the quote fingers or the peace fingers, but he's going to grab his big toe because that's Padangustasana, big toe hold. And then he's going to pull his ankle off his thigh and stand upright. Now the first thing that you want to think of is not trying to straighten this standing leg. What we want to first think about is standing on our standing leg better. That means he's going to create a little bit of a bend in the knee to have a little bit of shock absorption. And remember, when the knee goes forward, the hip can go back, because people tend to, if we come up high and come around, people tend to thrust their pelvis forward in this pose. They tend to lean back to hold that leg up. Now we're going to give Ian a break so that we can take a look at the pose on his other leg so that he's good and fresh, because what we're going to try to do is make the leg straighter, right? That's the Utthita part of the pose, is straightening the leg. But I do want to say this first. Getting your leg straight is not your highest goal. What your goal is to think about your spine, right? Create a good posture, and then from your posture, we can extend. Okay, so Ian is going to start to stand up and take his ankle off of his thigh. And this is really challenging for him to do because there's a guy moving around and talking behind him. But as he pushes through his heel and starts to straighten his leg, what I want you to remember at home is getting this leg dead solid straight is not our goal. What I want you to focus on is pushing through the heel, but also pulling. While you're trying to straighten your leg, think about trying to pull your foot back to you with your shoulder. And then try to push that standing foot into the floor like you're trying to push your foot into mud. What we want to do is focus on the posture, the spine first, and then we focus on the leg second. That's how you make your yoga practice stronger. Thank you, Ian. Oh my God, I can't believe how much he crushed that pose. We'll be back soon with another video. Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this video on our instructional series. If you enjoyed it, please leave us a like. Be sure and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're always up to speed on when our new content comes out. We're really passionate about helping yoga practitioners and yoga teachers get stronger in their teaching and in their practice. We've got more great videos on YouTube and lots of great content on our website. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.